Tired of using the same boring datasets for your SQL practice? Imagine having the power to generate unlimited datasets that are realistic and in seconds. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT and create AI-generated datasets that are realistic and useful, that will take your SQL skills to the next level. Stick around and watch as we turn AI-generated datasets into SQL gold. If you've not been here before, I'm Chris Gamble and welcome to my channel. This is Gamble Data Engineering, where we discuss tutorials, demos, and concepts all about data engineering to help you become a data engineering master. Alright, so what is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI that takes human readable text, so just however you would type it, and transforms it into whatever you need it to be. It'll answer questions just like you'd talk to your Alexa. It will give you a workout plan. It'll do a million different things. But one of the amazing things for us that it will do, it'll create data sets. It will give you hints and tips on how to write your SQL statements. So it's an amazing tool for data engineers. Don't worry about it replacing data engineers. It is not perfect, and you're always going to be needed in order to make things more efficient, in order to understand what the data really is and what insights you need to extract from it. But it is an amazing tool. That's what it is. Don't let people scare you into thinking anything else. It is an amazing tool that you could use, and it's awesome. One of the things that we're going to talk about today is how to create data sets from ChatGPT. It will give you whatever data set that you want. If you want a sales data set, it'll give you a bunch of sales data that it's made up. If you want a data set about a bunch of leads for a business, then it will give you that. Feed it whatever information you want to feed it, and it will spit out as much detail as you ask it for, or as little detail as you ask it for. The more definition that you put around your ask, the better the results are going to be, and the closer it's going to be to what you're asking for. So it is really cool. If you've not checked it out, it is free. There are paid pieces of it that you can, pay to enhance. You could use the API to write a Python script that will hit that API and return the responses, which is pretty cool. The library that you'd use there is OpenAI. It's going to be a lot of fun today. Let's get into it. All right, so this is ChatGPT. As you see, it's just chatgpt.com. There's a prompt in the bottom center of your screen. You could see that it will give you a few predefined options here. You could ask it to tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire, and it'll give you a fun fact about the Roman Empire. So again, cool tool, lots of different use cases, but let's use it for what we're using it for today. We're going to ask it to create a data set. We're going to ask it to create a sales data set with 25 records that includes shipping data as well as a customer ID. And we're going to ask it to create a script that will create a table in SQL Server and do the insert of the records into that table. So let's see what it gives us. So we see that it gives us the create table statement, and then it creates a insert into values. There we go. So it'll include the sale ID, customer ID, their customer information, and then the order date, product, quantity, unit price, shipping method, and shipping cost. And so now we have 25 sample records. You could ask it for 2,500 sample records, and might take a little bit, but it will give it to you. You'd adjust the column names and data types like it says, but basically you have everything you need here to practice SQL now. So you can copy this. In this case, we're going to use Azure Data Studio. Just hit copy code, paste it into Azure Data Studio, and run it. And you see it quickly came back. It took not even a tenth of a second. Super quick. So now let's just create a new query here. And I created a new query just by right-clicking on my database and doing new query. We're going to say select all from sales. And if you haven't been in my previous videos, asterisk does stand for all in a select statement. So we're going to run that, and we have our 25 records. How cool is that? So from there, you'll want to do things like probably split out the data into a dimension table, create a fact table that's separate from your dimension table. So you might create a customer table that has the customer information, and then maybe a product table that has the product ID and the product name. And then your fact table would have maybe your sales ID, and then your product ID, your customer ID, your quantity, your unit price, your shipping cost, things like that. Then you'll have some dimensions, you'll have a fact table, and then you could start building your star schema. And star schema is something that we're going to talk about in a couple weeks on this channel. So be sure to come back for that. If you have other use cases that you could think of for Chat GPT, of which there are many, please comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please like and subscribe and come back for more. So again, I'm Chris Gamble. This is my channel, Gamble Data Engineering. You've just had fun with data.